Okay, next up, tank. This is a plastic cover. The actual tank is underneath it. Now, I did mention on the other video there's a little key just here, which interestingly enough lifts the whole seat unit off, and the seat unit is massive on this thing. Look at it. It takes the whole front part of it. Enormous, but there's literally nothing underneath it. No storage whatsoever. Another brilliant bit of Italian design. Now, I've had the battery on charge while I've been messing around with other stuff. Oh, Spitfire's back, amazing. Just here, so I'm actually going to put this back on because I think I might be lucky. That seems to be all right, holding a charge and all that good stuff. Let's see, slide that back in here, like so. That all goes back in there, like so. Even got the toolkit. I'm quite impressed by that. Quite impressed. Okay, so we have power again back in here. Let's see how we can get this thing off. We have two. Bend down here. Two Allen screws here and here, like so. Now that comes off, like so, and it reveals two larger bolts that hold the tank cover down. Which are much bigger. We're going to go with a 5 on this one again, I think. Nailed it. Nailed it. All right. Cracked that one. And bolt number 2. Now this looks like it is hinged, I believe. Certainly looks like it. Let's come out like so. Does this one want to come out? Yes, maybe. Maybe not. Oh, look. Oh no. So, what's... Okay, hold on a minute. There's definitely petrol in there, and I forgot to put this bit back over the battery. Let me do that quickly while I'm messing. This is not hinged, it's just sitting on... This bit goes in here. This bit goes like that. Yes. Okay, let's have a look here. Fuel. And here. Yes, it just sits in there. So this is the fuel line. So let's find somewhere that I can empty this. So here we go. After a bit of fiddling, that was difficult to video. But we can start to get into the engine a little bit, and to be honest, she's looking pretty clean in there. Interesting. Where are they? Oh, they're in there. Okay. Breather tubes. Need to reattach those in just a minute. To the tank. Air box. Probably should have got an air filter, but I don't have one at the moment. So anyway, let me reattach this, put the tank back on, and see if she starts up, shall we? Exciting. Right then, moment of truth. So key in. I heard the fuel pump going. Oil is in. I don't think we have any more drips or leaks. No, I don't think so. So I think we're in good shape there. Oil's in, petrol's in, just a little bit anyway. It's in neutral. Okay, let's see what happens, shall we? On. Interesting. What's that? She's turning over. I think we're going to have to look at does she have a choke? Not successful. She's turning over. That's a good sign. Still, there's not a lot of fuel in here. I wonder why the fuel light's on. All right, time to investigate. So I'm pretty rubbish at this whole YouTube thing, and I'm still clearly learning my trade a little bit here, so I managed to turn the microphone off. So here I am. As you can see, the spark plugs were pulled. They're kind of sooty and black, so I've ordered some new ones. So in the next video, we'll rip the redrain the fuel, rip the have a look at the fuel filter and stuff, take the airbox off, change the spark plugs, and then see if we can get it started. So tune back for the next one and see if we can get this thing fired up. Thanks for watching.